tak. Tak, tak, tak. Once more. Tak, tak, tak. Now please say fast with me. Tak, 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 tak. Tak, 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 tak. Come on, everyone. Please say fast with me. Tak, 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 tak. Tak, 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 tak. You can see the Hargila bird in my Assamese traditional attire, Mekhela Sadar. You can see it here. So it's a huge bird. So we are working for the Hargila birds, the greater adjutant stork. So Hargila itself means bone swallowers, like har plus gila in Assamese. And so you can see the Hargila bird in my Assamese traditional attire, Mekhela Sadar. You can see it here. So it's a huge bird, like almost about my height. So yeah, and earlier, can you believe this bird was always treated as bad omen or bad luck? And yeah, you can see the bird here also in my ear and in my neck piece. Yeah, and I wish I could show the Hargila headdress. I carried in my flight also when I came here. And so yeah, so people had a negative perception towards the birds, and my entire journey is to change the perception. And my dream became like when people cut down the tree because this bird is treated as with the negative perception. And so my dream became to bring the birds into our hearts and minds and tradition and culture. And when I got obsessed that this bird should be our part of our tradition and culture, then I also got when people were talking about the negative thoughts, I also got enough optimism and enough hope. And enough optimism and enough hope can only save this bird. And so yeah, this way I started working with our women communities. And I always feel that our women can bring this bird, attach this bird into our tradition and culture. And this way I just started a small movement. We formed Hargila Army among a few women. But I'm so proud that now, after so many years, it's long 20 years, we have over 20,000 women as Hargila Army, the protector of the bird, the protector of the trees and wetlands. And you can see the result of the long association, long work. You can see this bird is part of our Assamese folk songs, Nam Kirtan, tradition and culture. We celebrate baby shower for the Hargila bird, like the way we do for our Assamese expectant mothers. I think in Hindi you call it as God Bharai. So we call it as Panchamrit ceremony. So I invite all of you, people in Orissa, all the youths in Orissa, everyone, please come here and join our baby shower, our Panchamrit ceremony, God Bharai of the Hargila birds. And with this work, this is an entire restoration story for recovering a species, and it gives enough hope that we can do this with many other species, many other endangered species. And it's also about restoring a complex ecosystem. So I'm very honored to be here at the Thoritri Youth Conclave. I'm very honored to be here. Thank you so much for inviting. And I want to give a message for all the youths that start from something from small, and these small works, one day it will cross the border and it will have a ripple impact. And you the change begins from small things. Just start something in your backyard. Love the birds. And if every one of you save a species, save a bird, just imagine the world will be so beautiful.